Well, management is different in health and social care compared to other industries. In healthcare, you make decisions that essentially affect people's lives. I'm Paul Gearing. I'm the General Manager here at Sanford Medical Centre in Oxford, and I am studying MSc Management in Health and Social Care. I didn't really know what to expect. Of course, this was health and social care in management, which I've been doing for years, and I kind of thought this would be a bit of a breeze, which I was wrong about. I enjoyed immensely and have implemented quite a few things as a result, whether it's balanced scorecards, whether it's even just how I interact with staff. Completely changed how historically I would have worked, which is one size fits all.
Learning management is more of a social science. Having not had that kind of abstract thinking previously, I was quite scared that I was not going to do well. It looked quite tough. And when I started the class, I was like, what are we talking about? We're talking about humans as assets, and I didn't really get the real picture of it. I came to realize that the humans were actually the best asset of the organization. I trained in Nigeria. I come from Nigeria. I'm a medical doctor by profession. I will be able to go back home as a complete package. It has improved the way I communicate with my patient, the way I communicate with my colleagues. In Nigeria, the healthcare setting differs from what it is in the UK, whereby doctors are actually the clinical directors of the hospitals. And I found that we're unable to administratively handle the department. When you're competing for top jobs, as a doctor, what they are looking for is what extra can you offer?
I think if you are able to back up experience with methodology, specifically studying an MSc in health and social care, I think you'll gain that advantage over potential rivals at interview. And I was running in budgets of nearly £70 million. I didn't think I'd learn a great deal out of finance, but again, proved wrong there. So whether that was to apply science to decision making, cost-benefit analysis, whether it was really even engaging with stakeholders from the beginning, accepting that doing nothing was actually a viable option as well.
For the first semester, I never used Upgrade, and I'm like, why would I need Upgrade? I know what I'm doing. I know how to write my essays, but I said during my dissertation, I decided to use them, and they gave me a different perspective on how to do things, and they taught me something I've never really known before. As an international foreign student, you need so much help, because when you come into the country, you're not only dealing with the educational challenge or academic challenge, you're also going to deal with the cultural challenge, the diversity, and for example, coming to the UK was the first time I was living in Nigeria, so I have not had other exposure, so it was quite frightening. I don't think I've seen any place where you have so much support system. There's always somebody there to help you. Yeah, it was actually a great course. And when I was choosing this university, I looked at the ranking system and I found out that Oxford Brookes was in a very good position, Best Modern University Award, and I felt, okay, that could be a very good school. And for the fact that it was in Oxford, though, that would be a very good environment, especially an academic environment to actually be in. So, and it was quite affordable also compared to some other schools. I always wanted to be close to London because it's just easier to go back home. So I looked at all those things and I decided that Oxford Brookes would be a great place to be.
I would recommend this course to others. I think it's an enjoyable course. I think the lecturers are lively and they will give you as much support as you require or as little as you wish. I've met so many people as a result of the course, individuals that I remain in contact with, so I've enjoyed building the network.
Very sound academic lecturers, very professional, very experienced, and it was fantastic.